Quick, easy and fun captions. Of all the new software I've ever reviewed over the years, this one is by far the easiest to use, the most fun and the most rewarding, and of course the most useful. Introducing ClipMagic. And if you want exciting captions on your videos, whether they be 1-minute YouTube shorts or long-form landscape videos, ClipMagic is the magic. It just does what it says. All you need to do is import a clip with a voiceover and the magic begins. I like apps that run on my computer rather than having to work from a web browser. That's just a personal preference. And ClipMagic is an application for the Mac and for the PC. But the real beauty of ClipMagic is that it works with footage from any video editor, no matter whether it's Premiere, Final Cut, CapCut or Blackmagic's Resolve. All you need is a completed video with a voiceover. I'm going to show you on the Mac. I'll launch ClipMagic from the dock. It defaults to the home screen and you can import your video directly into the ClipMagic window. I'll drag this 1-minute YouTube short video. It gives a language option and it defaults to English. When pressing next, it imports the video for you, and this depends on the length of the video, so in this case it's quite quick. Once imported, this video shows a quick and cheap fix for black leather with cracks or scuff marks. You can play the clip. It'll have selected Make My Day style for the caption, and you can make another choice. It instantly changes. And since I've got green on here already, I'll put something a little different. How about the blue? And that's going to stand out more. The secret to this quick fix is liquid. I can change the colours. I can change the position. Also, the spacing between the characters. And also the line spacing. Currently there's only one line, so there's the 2 lines, the polish. And here's the line spacing being changed. You can adjust the number of words and where they appear on the screen. And there's a call to action. Follow my page or don't forget to like and subscribe. And as you see, that's added to the end of the video. And there's different styles of video templates. A summer sale or the Black Friday sale. And as you select templates that have not been used before, they'll be downloaded for you. From this to this in just a couple of minutes. The real secret to this quick fix is liquid shoe polish. And you can add a hook of text at the beginning of your video. This video shows a quick and the hooks and the captions can be moved directly on the screen. Finally, and perhaps one of the most important options from ClipMagic, is the extensive selection of music categories. And when you decide to use a track, it's downloaded for you. Of course, the music tracks are all royalty free. And you've got the option to fade the music in and out while selecting the volume. White cloth so you can check if any black is coming. Then you can export, or as they call it, publish. And once the export's completed, you can access the folder or the exported video directly without having to search your disk to find the exported video. This video shows a quick and cheap fix. It's not only vertical video, but both landscape and square videos can be used as well. I'll import a square video so you can see. Now also a landscape video. And this is an interview, so we want the text a little bit less flowery. So I'll use Got a Box template. I'll play from the beginning again. I'll show you how to remove or change words in the captions. I want to remove the first few words and start with "So tell me how." Select the Captions button in the sidebar. The first group of words can be selected. Then, by pressing the trash bin, they can be removed. And there's a confirmation dialog. I'll do the same with the second group. And now play from the beginning.
KO.
Yeah, memory of mine. So tell me, how long have you had this?
About 2.5 years.
Yeah, and really happy.
I now want to remove just the one word, when. Highlight the word and press the delete key on the keyboard. Previous projects can be accessed by returning back home and selecting projects in the sidebar, either editing it or pressing the bin to remove. This is the most fun I've had in reviewing software application that I can ever recall. And as I said at the beginning, it's intuitive, easy and fun. Just look how this bland video short has been converted into this eye-catching video in just a couple of minutes. Cheap fix for black leather with cracks or scuff marks. From this to this in just a couple of minutes. I hope you've learned something from this review. Look out for more reviews by subscribing and pressing the bell. Thanks for watching.